cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Secant 30 is 2 by root 3. Cot 30 is reciprocal of tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Cot 30 is root 3. So angle table is basic. Then we have allied angles. So first quadrant A, second quadrant A, third quadrant T, fourth quadrant yes. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with standard angles and allied angles. So now exercise 14.1. Show that x is equal to 7 by 2. If x is equal to secant 30 tan 60 plus sin 45 into cosecant 45 plus cos 30 into cot 60. So take the given values and substitute. They give x is equal to secant 30. All of you know secant 30 degrees is the reciprocal of cos 30 degrees into tan 60 degrees plus sin 45 degrees into cosecant 45 degrees plus cos 30 degrees into cot 60 degrees. Now let us simplify this. Secant is the reciprocal of what? Cos. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Secant 30 is 2 by root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. Plus sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cosecant 45 is the reciprocal of 1 by root 2, that is root 2. Plus cos 30. Cos 30 degrees is reciprocal of, cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. And cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Now let us simplify this. Root 3 cancels. Root 2 cancels. Root 3 cancels. We are left out with 2 plus 1 by 2. So now simplify. We have 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 by 2. Take LCM. LCM is 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 1. So 7 by 2. This is your proof. Therefore, x is equal to how much you got? 7 by 2. They are also asking you to prove x is equal to 7 by 2. Hence the proof. Just substitute the values so that you will get the answer. So what is secant? Reciprocal of cos. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Secant 30 is 2 by root 3. Tan 60 root 3. And sin 45 1 by root 2. Cosecant 45 is the reciprocal of sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cosecant 45 is root 2. And cos 30 root 3 by 2. Cot 60 is reciprocal of tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. Cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Simplify, you will get the value. Then find the value of cot square pi by 6 minus 2 cos square pi by 3 minus 3 by 4 secant square pi by 4 minus 4 sin square pi by 6. So now cot square pi by 6. So cot square, all of you know pi by 6 means 30 degrees. Minus 2 times cos square pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degrees. Minus 3 by 4 secant square. Secant square pi by 4 means 45 degrees. Minus 4 sin square pi by 6. 180 by 6 is 30 degrees. Pi is what? 180 degrees. Pi by 4 means what? 45 degrees. Pi by 6 means 180 by 6. 180 by 6 is 30 degrees. Pi by 3 means 60 degrees. No confusion. So now or in the place of pi put 180 and divide it, you will get it. Cot 30. Cot 30 is reciprocal of tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Cot 30 is root 3. So root 3 square minus 2 cos square 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 whole square. Because cos square they give 3 by 4. Secant 45 is the reciprocal of cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Secant 45 is root 2. Root 2 square minus 4 times sin square 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 the whole square. Further simplification, 2 root 3 cancel. So 3 minus 2 into 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 into 2 root 2 cancel. So it will be 2 minus 4 into 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4. Further simplify. So we'll get 3 minus 2 ones are 2 twos are 3 minus 1 by 2. Then we have minus 2 ones are 2 twos are 3 by 2. Then we have minus 4 cancels 1. So simplify this further. Take LCM. LCM is 2. 3 2s are 6 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2. 6 minus 1 5. 5 minus 3 2. 2 minus 2 0 by 2 is 0. So we'll get 0 as the answer. Hope all of you got this. 4 cancels here. 2 ones are 2 2s are 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is what? 2. 2 minus 4 by 2, 2 minus 2 is 2. 0. So the final answer will get 0. Just substitute the values and get it. Now x into sin 30 into cos square 45 is equal to cot square 30 degrees into secant square 60 degrees minus tan 45 degrees by cosecant square 45 into cosecant 30 into cos 60. Find the value of x. Substitute x into, what is sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. What is cos square 45? Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square is equal to cot 60, cot 30. Reciprocal of tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, cot 30 is root 3 whole square. Secant 60, reciprocal of cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, secant 60 is 2. And tan 45 is 1 divided by cosecant square 45. Cosecant 45 is root 2 whole square. Cosecant 30, 2. And cos 60, 1 by 2. Simplify this, x into 1 by 2. 1 square is 1. Root 2 whole square becomes 2. Square root cancels. Again square root cancels. It will be 3 into 2 minus 1 divided by square root cancels 2 into 2 cancels 1. Further LHS becomes x by 4. So here x into 1 is x, 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6 minus 1 5 divided by 2 1s are 2. Simplify, so x is equal to 5 by 2 into 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are, x is equal to exactly 10. So they want you to find the value of x. We got the value of x. So now we got the answer, and any problem you can solve easily if you are thorough with what? Angle table. What is the angle table? Theta, sin theta, tan theta, cos theta and tan theta. So once you are through with this angle table, you can solve. So 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. And today we have seen the problems in the form of pi. So what is meant by pi? Pi is 180 degrees. So pi by 2 means 180 by 2. 180 by 2 is what? 90 degrees. So pi by 3, 180 by 3. 180 by 3 is 60 degrees. So instead of 60, you can put pi by 3. Pi by 4. Pi by 4 means what? 180 by 4, that is 45 degrees. Now, this is an angle table. Sin 0 is what? 0. Sin 30 is half. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Sin 60, sin 90. Sin 90 is what? 1. And this is root 3 by 2. Then cos 1. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. And cos 60, half. And this is 0. Further tan 0 is 0, tan 30 1 by root 3, tan 45 1, tan 60 root 3, tan 90 not defined. And pi by 2 means 90. Instead of 90, they can give pi by 2 instead of 60, pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60, pi by 4 45, pi by 6 is 30 degrees. 180 by 6 is 30 degrees. These are the basic angles. Along with that, reciprocals. For cosecant, reciprocal is what? Sine, reverse of sine. And for secant, reciprocal is what? Cos. For cot, reciprocal is tan. These are the other set of basics which you should be thorough with. Angle table and this reciprocals and the pi values, once you are thorough, you can do the problems easily. And these are the standard problems which you can expect. So angle table is basic. Then we have allied angles. So dear students, in my next class, I am supposed to go ahead with what? Allied angles. For allied angles, you should know the quadrant system. Quadrant is divided into 4 equal parts. First, second, third, fourth. 4 equal parts. First quadrant, this is 90 degrees, less than this 2 lines are, this is 0 degree and this is 90. Before 90, we say 90 minus theta. After 90, we say 90 plus theta. And for this 90, if you add another 90, this line is 180 degree. Before 180, we say 180 minus theta. And after 180, we say 180 plus theta. For this, again, you add 90. And 180 plus 90 becomes, this line is called as 270 degree line. So this is before 270, 270 minus theta. After 270, 270 plus theta. And before 360. So again, if I add 90, it will become 360 degrees. Before 360, it is 360 minus theta. And after 360, we say 360 plus theta. So my suggestion or my request for all of you is, first you should know how to divide the plane into 4 quadrants. anti-clockwise, first, second, third, fourth. And angles, 90 minus theta, 360 plus theta, first quadrant, 90 plus 180 minus second, 180 plus 270 minus third, 270 plus 360 minus fourth. So first you memorize this. And alphabets. See, for first quadrant we say A, all are positive. Second, yes. Third, T. Fourth, C. A means all, T means tan or C. A stands for what? All the trigonometric functions are positive in first quadrant. S means sine and its reciprocal. Reciprocal of sine is cosecant. They are positive in second quadrant. T means tan and reciprocal. Reciprocal of tan is cot, are positive in third quadrant. C means cos or secant. These two are positive in fourth quadrant. Astc rule will say. So my request for all of you, you should be able to draw this chart 1, 2, 3, 4, and you should be able to write the angle values, and you should know Astc. So first quadrant A, second quadrant S, third quadrant T, fourth quadrant S. So that's why we call this as Astc rule. So Astc rule says that in first quadrant all are positive. In second quadrant sine and its reciprocal cosecant are positive. In third tan and cot are positive. Fourth cos and secant are positive. And when can you say angle belongs to first quadrant? If it is 90, less than 90 and more than 360. 360 minus 90 minus theta or 360 plus theta first quadrant. 90 plus 180 minus second. 180 plus 270 minus third. 360 minus 270 plus fourth. So this chart, whatever I have written, you should be able to write this chart, and also you should be able to write the standard angle table. Once you are thorough with that, then we can further continue with more problems. Today we have done direct problems of standard angles, then we'll have allied angles. For that you should get ready with this chart, so that I'll go ahead with the problems. I hope all of you understood what I told you. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.